Hey guys, it's Evan here with the Fusion 360 Quick Tip. Today I'm going to be talking about undefined sketches. Leaving these behind can come back to haunt you, so I recommend avoiding them whenever possible. We're going to start out by changing our units to inches and following Rule 1, which is always create a new component. Undefined sketches will be easy to identify because anything undefined will be blue and defined sketches will be black. To fully define a sketch, you not only need to define all the dimensions, but have some anchoring point or feature. The main reason why you want to avoid undefined sketches is so that things don't break later. Let's say that you want to have a circle that is 1 inch in diameter and 1 inch away from the top right corner of this square. Quick and easy, you're done. But what if later you need to change the original dimension of that square? You can see that your original intent to have this circle 1 inch away from the corner is broken now. Let's undo that change real quick. Now let's fully define this circle. Notice how it's black now. Now when you change the size of that square, the circle moves with it. Construction lines can also be used to help define features. Anything that's marked as construction under sketches will help define the sketch, but it won't actually affect any of the extruded geometry. You can also use constraints like this midpoint right here and defining this to be horizontal. Now the circle is constrained to the middle of this rectangle. By using dimensions, construction lines, and constraints together, you can build logic in your model and make it very robust. The logic built into this feature allows the entire thing to be controlled by one dimension. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip.